Have you found yourself scrolling through endless online schemes, searching for that one golden opportunity to change your financial future? Well, what if I told you that opportunity is just 5 clicks away, and it doesn't require a single penny up front? That's right. In today's video, I'm about to unveil the ultimate side hustle of 2024, a tried and tested method that could have you pocketing a cool $25,000 a month. But before we dive into the juicy details, make sure to buckle up and hit that like button. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips and tricks. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this game-changing opportunity. In an era before the internet was at our fingertips, imagine hustling the old-fashioned way, sending out letters to countless factories, dialing up numbers, and finally scoring that golden exclusive right. Picture this. You're not even of legal age to sign the contract, yet you're jetting off to Oceanside, California. There, you meet a man named Steve Owenby, and with just one signature on a piece of paper, your life takes an unimaginable turn. Fast forward to today, where everything's just a click away. But back then, it took grit, determination, and a whole lot of hustle to secure your spot in the game. Now, I'm here to show you how you can achieve what seemed impossible back then with just 5 simple clicks. Times have changed, and the game's evolved. But the essence of seizing opportunities remains the same. Get ready to witness a transformation that's not just about making money, but about rewriting the rules of the game. It's all about to unfold before your very eyes. Let's break it down to the basics. Control. That's the name of the game in the business world. With this method, you gain the power to steer the direction of your product or service, carving out a niche that's uniquely yours. By establishing your brand, you effectively minimize competition, creating a distinct identity in the market. It's a strategic move that big players in the industry have been capitalizing on for years, yet it remains a well-kept secret. Have you ever found yourself perusing the aisles of a supermarket, only to notice a sense of déjà vu as you come across products that seem uncannily alike, yet bear different labels? Welcome to the world of white labeling, where the real magic happens behind the scenes. Picture this. In bustling factories, skilled workers churn out goods day in and day out, catering to the demands of various brands. From high-end luxury labels to budget-friendly alternatives, they all originate from the same production line, sharing the same ingredients and manufacturing process. It's a phenomenon that's as fascinating as it is pervasive. Take a bottle of shampoo, for example. You might find the exact same formula packaged under different brand names, each targeting a specific demographic at different price points. It's a strategic move that capitalizes on consumer psychology, subtly influencing perceptions of quality and value. Even the savviest shoppers can find themselves swayed by clever branding and packaging, falling prey to the illusion of choice in a sea of identical products. But here's where it gets interesting. While white labeling may seem like a hidden practice, it's actually quite prevalent across various industries. From cosmetics to food products, the concept remains the same. Capitalize on economies of scale to produce goods that appeal to a wide range of consumers. Now, imagine being in the driver's seat, crafting your own brand without the hassle of manufacturing or hefty upfront costs. With no minimum orders and no inventory to store, the barriers to entry are practically non-existent. You can kickstart your private label empire hassle-free, tapping into platforms like Amazon to reach a global audience. Plus, with a bit of savvy marketing on social media and word of mouth, you can turn every contact in your email list into a potential customer. It's a game-changing opportunity that's ripe for the taking, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. All right, let's break it down even further. When we talk about Supliful, we're talking about a company that's not just another player in the market. They're the gold standard. With their FDA approval and stellar ratings from both customers and accrediting bodies like the Better Business Bureau, you can rest assured that you're partnering with a trusted name in the industry. This isn't just about launching a product. It's about aligning yourself with a brand that stands for quality and reliability. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the power of branding. It's not just about slapping a logo on a product and calling it a day. It's about the intrinsic value you add to that product through branding. Take that basic leather bag we mentioned earlier. Sure, it might cost $50 to produce, but when you attach a prestigious brand name like Louboutin, suddenly, it becomes a status symbol, worth thousands in the eyes of consumers. It's a testament to the power of perception and the art of crafting a narrative around your product. But here's where it gets interesting. With Supliful, you're not just buying into a brand, you're gaining access to a whole ecosystem designed to empower entrepreneurs like yourself. It's about more than just selling a product. It's about building a brand that resonates with your target audience. And with their user-friendly platform and resources, you have everything you need to bring your vision to life. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just dipping your toes into the world of business, Supliful provides the tools and support you need to succeed. So as you embark on this journey of launching your own products, remember this: it's not just about what you're selling, it's about the story you're telling. With Supliful by your side, you have the opportunity to create something truly remarkable, something that not only meets the needs of your customers but exceeds their expectations. Take a cue from Trump, who mastered the art of licensing and branding. Back in the day, slapping his name on a building could command top dollar. It's all about leveraging your brand to maximize profits. And with Supliful, you can easily launch your own private label without the headaches. Whether you've got a loyal following or a hefty email list, you can monetize your audience by offering them quality products they'll keep coming back for. Plus, with on-demand fulfillment, you can scale your business without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk products. Supliful offers a wide range of supplements, from amino acids to workout powders, all manufactured with top-notch ingredients. And here's the kicker: many of these products come from the same factory, regardless of the label on the bottle. So why not put your own brand on it and reap the rewards with Supliful? The possibilities are endless. All right, folks, it's time to take action. Just 5 clicks stand between you and launching your very own product. Simply hit that Launch Your Product button, fill in your details, and boom, you've got yourself an account. Now, if you're feeling a bit creative, you can design your own label using Canva, a user-friendly editor that won't break the bank. Don't overthink it. A simple label can work wonders. And hey, handwriting one might even add a quirky touch that catches eyes. Once you're in, it's time to pick your product. Customize it to your heart's content, set a price, and add a profit markup that suits your goals. Canva comes in handy again for uploading that snazzy new label. Connect it to your store of choice and voila, your product is ready to hit the shelves. With just a few clicks, you've gone from idea to reality, and Supliful takes care of the rest. They'll handle the packaging, shipping, and all the nitty-gritty details, leaving you free to focus on spreading the word. Now let me share a little insider knowledge. Ever wondered how megastars like Kylie Jenner make their millions? It's all about white labeling. Behind the glitz and glamour, her makeup line comes from the same factory as many other brands, all wrapped up in her signature packaging. The beauty of white labeling is that you can put your stamp on quality products without the hassle of manufacturing. From cosmetics to clothing, the possibilities are endless. So take the leap, launch your brand, and join the ranks of entrepreneurial success stories. It's the way of the future, and you're already ahead of the curve. Thanks for tuning in to today's eye-opening journey into the world of entrepreneurship and white labeling with Supliful. Now that you've learned the secrets behind building your own brand empire, it's time to take action. But before you go, let me leave you with one question. Are you ready to seize the opportunity and turn your dreams into reality? If your answer is a resounding yes, then don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips. Thanks again for watching, and until next time. So hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to turn your creative visions into reality. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and never stop dreaming big. See you in the next video.